Do you have a fear of failure, a fear of rejection, a fear that you're not good enough, a fear of poverty, a fear of death? Fear is the common denominator that runs through all of our lives. And if you let fear control you, fear will keep you locked up in a mental prison, preventing you from reaching your true potential. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can stop living in fear and reprogram your mind to overcome fear. Now, the truth about fear is that fear is an illusion. All fears are illusions. They are. They are a form of anxiety or worry for a potential future event or moment. They only exist within your mind, and therefore they're an illusion. Fear is the number one thing that you cannot listen to. Now, if you take the word fear and make an acronym with its letters, you can find a working definition for most of our fears. False expectations appearing real. Also known as face everything and rise, or forget everything and run. We expect a false outcome and we imagine it so vividly that it appears real in our mind, so real that even our body reacts to it as it's happening right now. So training your brain to accept that there's no threat will help you switch off the fear response. So you'll soon realize that it's actually the fear of fear that you fear, nothing else. You need to train your awareness so that you become less distracted by your own thinking, which then allows you to enjoy your life more, be present with more people, and to see your world both inner and outer with greater clarity. Now, humans are born with two fears, the fear of loud noises and the fear of falling. When an infant hears a loud noise, they experience an acoustic startle reflex and then they start crying. Now, the 6 basic fears that humans developed are fear of poverty, fear of criticism, fear of poor health, fear of loss of love of someone, fear of old age, and fear of death. Now, you can learn to outsmart the 6 ghosts of fear by recognizing fear as a state of mind and replacing your fears with positive alternative thinking. You either step forward into growth or you step back into safety. There's no compensation for playing it safe. And that safety, that comfort zone could be a prison. These 6 fears cause symptoms of indifference, indecision, doubt, worry, procrastination, lack of ambition, self-consciousness, jealousy, and many other negative emotions. All these attributes will be very detrimental to you and towards your success, as they will cause you to stop taking action to achieve your goals. They'll hold you paralyzed. So out with them and watch yourself achieve success. Tell yourself that you're strong enough to defeat these fears. Next time that you feel one of these fears, tell yourself, I am strong enough to defeat this. Begin uprooting these fears from your mind. Banish the fear from your mind whenever you feel it creeping up on you. Now, you'll need to do this consciously at first, but with practice, it will become a subconscious habit. So how do you get rid of fear? By walking up to the thing you are most afraid of. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the judgment that something else is more important than the fear. When you face a situation fearlessly, there is no situation to face. The fear falls away of its own weight. Fear is a habit, and so is anxiety, helplessness, and giving up. It's all a habit. And you can eliminate all negative habits with these 2 resolves. I can and I will. You see, when your mind is weak, a situation becomes a problem. When your mind is balanced, the situation becomes a challenge. But when your mind is strong, the situation becomes an opportunity. Embrace each challenge in your life as an opportunity. So how do you react when you experience fear? Let me know in the comments. Now, when you start feeling symptoms of fear, I want you to pause and breathe. This is a scientifically proven method called Take 6 and calm the circuits. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, as if you were breathing out through a straw. When you take these 6 deep breaths, you deactivate the stress response center in your brain, which then allows more blood to flow back to your left prefrontal cortex. And that's the Einstein part of your brain that allows you to think clearly through your problems. Now, if you don't do this, neurochemicals are released such as epinephrine, cortisol, and adrenaline, and they send the body into a fight or flight response. The way to stop this is to use this method. Take 6. Calm the circuits. Now, here's a strange thing. The exact definition of faith is having complete trust or confidence in someone or something. Both fear and faith demand that you believe in something that you cannot see. You see, we're really in charge of our results, but as I give you this concept, I want you to pay close attention, because faith, based on understanding, is truly the key to freedom. Knowledge, understanding is the opposite of doubt and worry. And there's only one way to gain understanding. The only way is to study this, to study yourself. So really, what do we want to understand? That there's no up without a down, no hot without a cold. So you see, in every negative, there must be a positive. But we must understand that it's there, or we'll never even look for it. But when we understand, then we know. Fear is a misdirected energy and must be redirected and transmuted into faith. Understanding leads to the opposite of fear, and that's faith. And there's a saying that I love which goes, "Let us not look back in anger, nor forward in fear, but around us in awareness." The great law simply states that if you think in negative terms, you will get negative results. If you think in positive terms, you will achieve positive results. It's all about what you choose to look at every day. So is that basic? Yes, indeed it is. And let this newfound understanding be light in darkness for you. Let there be light. Let. Don't force. Force negates. Just let. Let there be light. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos every week. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And for any help and guidance on how to achieve a positive mindset, I have a coaching program that takes you in just 6 weeks from where you are feeling stuck with self-doubt, living in fear, not embracing change, to experiencing freedom, having massive clarity, confidence, being excited for your future, creating the life you really want while being in control of your mind and your emotions. So to find out more, click the link below to schedule a free call with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.